It's officially party season, and that means it's time for cocktails. Today I'm going to show you 4 easy gin cocktails you can make at home. The first cocktail we're going to make is one of my favorites, the Passionfruit Gin Martini. This is inspired by the one at Martini Bar at the Grand Hyatt Hotel in Singapore. It's one of my favorite bars, so if you're ever in Singapore, I definitely recommend checking it out. We're going to add 90 ml or 3 ounces of passion fruit pulp to our cocktail shaker. Then we're going to add 30 ml or 1 ounce of gin. I'm using a London dry gin from Western Australia. Add juice from half a lime and a handful of small ice cubes. Give it a good shake until the shaker goes cold and you can't hear the rattle of the ice cubes. Then pour it out into a chilled martini glass. And there you have the Passionfruit Gin Martini. The next cocktail we're going to make is a mango chili cocktail. To a blender, we're going to add half a mango, diced up, juice from 1 lime, 30 ml or 1 ounce of London dry gin, 60 ml or 2 ounces of tonic or soda water, and 2 large ice cubes. Blitz till it's all blended up. For our chili salt, we're going to use 1 teaspoon of chili flakes and 1 teaspoon of salt, and just gently pound that into a finer powder using a mortar and pestle. Grab the leftover lime, rub that around the rim of the glass, and coat with the chili salt. You can do this to just half of the glass, but if you like lots of chili like me, then go ahead and add the chili salt around the whole rim. Pour your mango mixture into the glass, and there you have it, the mango chili cocktail. The next cocktail we're going to make is an Earl Grey gin cocktail, this time using Roku gin, a Japanese gin that has pronounced floral and citrus notes, specifically sakura and yuzu peel, and those flavors are going to work really well with the bergamot notes of Earl Grey tea. First, brew your tea. I'm brewing 1 small pot of tea, or about 2 cups worth, using 2 tablespoons of Earl Grey tea leaves. Brew for 5 minutes if you like a strong dark tea, or 2 to 3 minutes if you prefer a lighter tea. Remove the leaves once it's brewed and leave to cool. Once the tea has cooled, add 30 ml or 1 ounce of Roku gin to your shaker. Juice from 1/4 of a lemon, 1 teaspoon of honey, half a cup of the Earl Grey tea, and a handful of small ice cubes. Shake till it's cool to touch and you can no longer hear the rattle of the ice cubes. Add a large ice cube to your glass, pour the cocktail out, and garnish with a slice of lemon and mint. And there you have it, the Earl Grey Roku Gin cocktail. Finally, we're going to make an Elderflower Gin Spritz, inspired by the Italian cocktail, the Hugo. We're going to make this straight in the glass, starting with a big block of ice. Add 30 ml or 1 ounce of gin, 100 ml or 3 and a bit ounces of Prosecco, the same amount of Fever Tree Elderflower tonic. If you can't get elderflower tonic, you can also use elderflower cordial or elderflower liqueur. Gently stir so you don't agitate the bubbles too much, and garnish with a lime wedge and some mint leaves. And there you have it, my 4 easy gin cocktails you can make at home. I hope you guys give this a go. Let me know which one your favorites are in the comments. But in the meantime, cheers to you guys. I hope you have a good one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Now for the best part. Drinking! Thanks for watching. Bye.